Say hi.
Hello.
Okay.
Feel for any creases or anything that might feel off. That fit perfectly. And now we will get hair out of her face.
She's gonna spray some leave-in conditioner just to soften the hair and to keep everything real manageable and keep it tangle free. Look, it looks like it's growing right out of her scalp. The color of her scalp is protruding through the lens itself, creating a part. Wherever you part it, that's what you're gonna see. Now it's probably safe to turn Becky to look into the mirror and she can see. You haven't had probably hair that long in a while, have you?
No. I guess I've been so, I don't know.
You were pretty self-conscious of that front.
Right.
I remember.
Right. I was always having to part it over just far enough to kind of hide it.
Sure.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
You want to get your hands in there? You want to feel it?
Sure. Yeah, well, that's different. Because usually it's like...
Because you're used to the mesh and
Right.
beads,
Yeah.
right?
Well, you could really feel before the...
Edge.
Yeah, the edge. I'm not used to seeing my hairline there, actually.
Yeah, it really,
You know?
yeah, really
Because
looks great.
before we were like...
I mean, and
You'd
well,
swipe
right,
it,
and
you'd-
if that's
well-
something that you were more comfortable with, you
But
definitely
you'd swipe it and
could,
you'd cover it because you had to cover it.
because you were trying to cover that
Because
line.
you'd have to cover the line.
Mhm.
Yeah. So... Very nice.
Yeah, good. You like it?
Yeah.
Feels natural. You see anything that you want me to fine tune or tweak at all before?
No.
No? Do you want to take a peek at the back?
Sure.
Okay. I hand this to you, and I'm going to spin you.
Perfect.
So it's just a little bit longer than yours, but yours will grow at the rate about half an inch a month, so give you a little
Perfect.
wiggle room. Look
Nice.
good?
Good.
All right.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.